For 2 weeks, we're going to be crisscrossing the country, sharing the story of modern manufacturing.
We're going to go to 35 different events, and the focus is inspiring the next generation of the manufacturing workforce.
Because the future of the industry, and indeed the future of America, depend on it.
The wind shifted back to manufacturers starting last summer.
The reality is great things are ahead of us. We will engineer and manufacture things like no one else in North America. Tremendous opportunity ahead of us.
Global economies are starting to rebound, and they're rebounding in unison.
Manufacturing is front and center. And more importantly, manufacturing workers are front and center.
It's not about white collar or blue collar jobs. It's about new collar jobs.
Right now, across manufacturing, there's probably over 350,000 jobs needed.
We need to be attracting students as early as 5th and 6th grade so that they're aware, so they're picking the right electives and they're headed in the right directions. But we need to make sure those skills align and they match so that institutions are putting out workers that companies need.
Innovation and automation are expanding what American workers can do. Manufacturers are making life-saving medicines, life-changing technologies. They're revolutionizing food production to feed an ever-growing world. They're making our societies more sustainable and transforming the way we commute and communicate.
When we're talking about modern manufacturing, we're talking about technology and robotics and artificial intelligence and augmented reality.
Right.
You have to have skills in those areas. Our job is to get education and government and business all working together to make sure we have folks with those right skills.
We're growing, we're investing, we're hiring, and we're raising standards of living in communities all across our nation.
We have a chance to rebuild an infrastructure. We have a chance to rebuild manufacturing unlike we've seen in a long, long time.
We give people work that provides meaning and purpose, that offers not just a paycheck, but the satisfaction of having created something that matters. Ultimately, the goal of manufacturing in America is to improve the human condition, and we need everybody to be focused on the success of manufacturers in America. As a wrap, for all of the men and women who work in manufacturing today and previously, from my grandfather to the amazing folks who are making everything that is made in America today, this bud is for you. Cheers.